Today we are going to learn how to download a Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is the editor which is used to perform HTML, CSS, JavaScript, C language, Java and many other languages used for coding. So today I will show you how to download a Visual Studio. So first of all go to the Google or Chrome, any browser and search download Visual Studio Code. And after that you will get the first link, download Visual Studio Code. This is the official website. From here you have to click on this link. Then here you can see this is the for Windows, this is for Linux and this is for Mac. If you are a Windows user for 10 and 11, here are 60 for 64-bit. Here is the information. From here, if you want to download, click on this, and here from here the download will get started. Here my is Mac, so I won't download it. For Mac user you have to just click on this and the download will get started. I have already downloaded, so I don't need to download it. After downloading, it will look like this. It will look like this. If you want to perform any HTML, CSS, JavaScript, you have to make a folder like this. I have made it a folder. Like for HTML, you have to make a file like this. Type something like HTML here, and now if you want to run a code of HTML or something else, you have to open this file in Visual Studio Code. You have to click on this two pages like this, and then you have to click on open folder, then you have to go on desktop, then open, and here you have to select HTML. Yeah, here, and then after clicking on the folder you have to click on new file option, because we have to add a file in this. For generally we used to make a file with the name HTML, with a first page should be like index.html. Many people use this is convention use, like I have made it index.html. You have to put .html in the last. Index doesn't matter. If you want to put your name, anything, it doesn't matter. But after that, to run HTML, you have to type .html, and after that click enter. You will get the index.html file. And the most interesting part of the Visual Studio Code is there are already predefined codes in this. For example, if I have to write a general code which we always used to write before starting a HTML, so simply click on shift and plus one button, you will get this exclamation mark. You have to click on enter. You will get this predefined code which people used to take a time, but in Visual Studio Code you just get this with shortcut keys like shift and plus one, and here you used to write the HTML code, like something I would write it, you can check it. And if you want to check this, you have to open the Open Live Server. If you haven't opened it, you have to go on the extension. This is for extension. Here you have to type Open Live Server. Then yeah, here is live server. You have to just enable it or download it. I have already enabled it, and then after that, after enabling it, if you want to see this how it will look like on Chrome or any browser, you just have to right click, and you have to go on open the with live server, or simply below you can see here is go live. So simply click on this, or from right click also you can do it. And see this, we have written this and it is shown here. If you want to run HTML, I will show you in the next video. If you want, then please comment. Thank you.